Hi, welcome to Rope In Mental Health. I'm Garrett Kennedy, mental health consultant. I'd like to talk to you today about self-fulfilling prophecies. In the workplace, self-fulfilling prophecies really do guide whether or not new policy can be implemented or not. The general belief of the workplace culture, or the corporate culture, and its trust in the new system and its desire to change from the old system will guide the general belief as to whether or not people are willing to say the new system is great or the old system was better. Just the fact that this conversation is being had at work is a wonderful time to capitalize upon the leadership ability to guide the motivation of the team. Now, when you're guiding the motivation of a team, you have to look at some of these self-fulfilling prophecies. What are the underlying beliefs at the community level that something is going to happen? We can all think of times where we've been at work and we think, gee, we should get a new flavor of ice cream in the staff room, but nobody will ever let that happen because everybody thinks that's a dumb idea. Well, in all honesty, that never will happen because it's a self-fulfilling prophecy. The community as a whole believes that that's just a bad idea, so it's not going to happen. Now, when you hear people talking about a new policy you're implementing or a new way of going about business and a new mindset to be in, one of the best things you can do is capitalize on these moments to create a positive self-fulfilling prophecy. To utilize every piece of your ability to visualize in your head the successful goal and tell yourself often that this is going to happen. This is going to work. Being positive is what oftentimes people say, or having positive thoughts, positive mental attitude. Anything like that is just addressing the direct line of a self-fulfilling prophecy. And this is part of the mental health process of becoming more resilient. Being able to control what your self-fulfilling prophecies are. Oftentimes when I'm dealing with some of my clients in addictions or suffering from some severe mental health, they really benefit from the ability of looking at themselves in the morning and reminding themselves, these are the goals I have. And reminding yourself, even if you have to, why those goals are important. Why are they SMART goals? Are they specific enough that you understand them? Are they achievable? Are they realistic? Do you have everything you need to just make these things actually succeed? So do you have your goals in place to get everything done in a timely manner? So if you have your SMART goals set and remembered every morning, you can remind yourself that this is the perceived outcome and this really will work. Just telling yourself that can increase your own ability to believe in the plan and therefore change your self-fulfilling prophecy from a negative viewpoint to a positive viewpoint if that's your problem. At the workplace, we can hear the bantering of coworkers in the lunchroom or just in one-on-one conversations, and anytime a policy change or a new improvement to make a more resilient, observant, positive environment comes up, I suggest we capitalize on that opportunity. And we talk to the other person openly and honestly about how it would be nice to have a positive attitude at work, how it would be nice to believe that everybody thinks along the same lines and is heading towards the same goal. Take the opportunity to talk to your colleagues to reinforce that the goal hasn't changed, that everybody's still moving towards the same goal. Sometimes a self-fulfilling prophecy of being sick this upcoming weekend is because they're really not looking forward to working on Friday. But in all honesty, the self-fulfilling prophecies can be a big problem and a hard thing to deal with. In mental resiliency training, through the leadership program, we can actually teach how and why people are motivated at an emotional level. go through the emotional resiliency training that's so easy to implement on everyday life that makes somebody a more efficient, more compassionate leader and more able to provide a resilient, observant, positive environment for the people that they are overseeing in their daily tasks. Mental resiliency is one of the best things we can do for our workers. It's a proactive move against the suffering of mental health in the workplace. It doesn't rely on wellness plans having simply a list of places to go after you're hurt. Mental resiliency, emotional regulation, and addressing the self-fulfilling prophecies in your workplace will lead to a more positive, more healthy environment for everyone. Thank you for listening to Rope In Mental Health. I'm Garrett Kennedy, mental health consultant. Please do like and subscribe to my page. Go ahead and check me out on Facebook as well at Kennedy Consulting, Mental Resiliency Training. Give me a call, a message, and we can talk about how I can help you make a more resilient, observant, positive environment in your workplace. Thank you again. Have yourselves a great day.